Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RN ArchiVision. Today is a brand new video wherein we are going to learn about XCLIP tool in AutoCAD software. So this is one of the project that I'm working over, and I thought I would just teach you what an XCLIP does and how do we use XCLIP and how important that is. So XCLIPs are something which is very important to use if you are working over elevations, section views, and everything of that sort. If you are a beginner, this is something which you need to definitely learn how to use this particular tool. So over here, as you can see, we have this project near me, and this is the project that I was working over. I have like everything over here, and as you can see, these are like the complete plans that you see over here. Are my existing site plan, the proposed site plan, and we also have the redesigning of this particular plan. Okay, so this is the entire process. Now, when I am clicking over this particular site plan, these three site plans are connected to each other and they are selecting as a whole. Why is that happening? It's happening because of the Xref file. This is basically an Xref file that I have actually loaded inside this particular new file. If you don't know how to use an Xref file, if you don't understand what Xref file is, I would definitely come up with a new video if you're willing to see it. If you have any questions with regards to it, you can definitely ask me in the comment section below. So let's get started with this video. So over here I have this extra file as site plan, and now I want to XCLIP this. I want to make sure that I am creating an elevation view of this particular proposed site plan. Now how are we gonna XCLIP this? So first thing what we're gonna do is we are gonna create a rectangle around this particular site plan. Okay, now this rectangle has been created. Okay, we are using the keyword REC, which is followed by the spacebar to get this rectangle created. Okay, now next under this below over here we have as you can see over here we have this option wherein you can actually type all the tools or anything that you would require. So over here we're going to enter X and clip. Okay, and then on the top, as you can see, we have this option. We're going to click over this option and the option has been activated. All right, and now it is asking me to select an object. Okay, now what I'm going to do is this is the object over here that needs to be XCLIPed. So I'm going to select this object. Okay, it is definitely selecting the rest of the site plans, but that's fine. We're going to select this object. Okay, and it shows over here that the object one is found, and then we're going to click the space bar. Okay, and then at the bottom, as you can see, we have like multiple options over here. Okay, so let me just show that to you. So we have like multiple options like on, off, clip, delete, generate polyline, your new boundary. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this new boundary option. Okay, and after that, either you can actually create a new boundary over here, but right now, as I have already created a rectangle, I don't really need to create a new boundary. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to select a polyline. Because this is a polyline, right? So we're going to select a polyline. Okay, and we are now asked to select a polyline over here. Okay, you need to just follow the instructions over here, whatever is it's saying underneath. And now this is my polyline. I'm going to click over this polyline. Okay, and look what happens. The rest of the site plans that we had over here, it actually disappears automatically. Okay, so that's how we actually XCLIP, and this is like one of the part that has been created, and now you can just adjust this the way you want, increasing the size of it or decreasing the size of it, and whatever you want you can actually do it. And you can use this easily to create your elevations and sections. And this is basically done in order to have like a very clean clean plan, a clean sheet for yourself, and that is something very necessary in order to have like all those extra plans in your new DWG file. So this is something very important. I hope this was very helpful for you all, and if you like this video, do share it with your friends so that it's helpful for them too. Do subscribe my channel. If you have any sort of questions, you can definitely put those in the comment section below, and I would definitely be helping you out on those. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll be back with a new video. Till then, take care and bye bye.